Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fix GB WhatsApp is not working. If it is not working for you, 1. Allow installation from unknown sources. Since GB WhatsApp isn't on official app stores, go to Settings, Apps, then Special Apps Access and install from unknown apps. 2. Check internet connection. GB WhatsApp relies on an active internet connection. Verify if Wi-Fi is working or mobile data is enabled. Switch to a stronger network or troubleshoot your connection. 3. Reinstall GB WhatsApp. Back up your shots and open GB WhatsApp. Go to Settings, Shots, then Backup. Uninstall the current app and download the latest version of GB WhatsApp APK from a reliable source. During setup, select Restore Backup to retrieve your shot history. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.